Yo guys, I'm Niek from tpschool and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make a tech house style bass inspired by Bart B More. Enjoy! So I first made a melody which sounds like this. The first thing we're going to do is turn on oscillator A and oscillator B and select a saw wave for both of them. We're going to pitch the first saw wave down 2 octaves and the second one 1 octave. The next thing we're going to do is shape envelope 1. I'm going to turn down the sustain a bit. I'm also going to turn down the decay a little bit. Something like this. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to shape LFO 1 like this. In the mode section you need to choose envelope. Now this LFO will function just like an envelope. It will not repeat itself, it will just hit once. And I'm going to link this one to a MG Low 12 filter, which is connected to oscillator A and oscillator B. So just drag it into the cutoff here and shape the cutoff something like this. Let me hear. It already has a nice vibe to it. Let's head over to the FX section and turn on the hyper dimension. Pull down the mix of the hyper all the way down and set the size of the dimension to like 1 to 3%, very minimal, and then turn the mix to like 30 or 40%. The next thing I'm going to add is some tube distortion. I'm going to put this on around 75%. Next thing I'm going to do is open up a compressor and I'm going to boost the gain a little bit. The next thing I'm going to do is add an EQ. We want to get rid of some of the lowest frequencies and I want to boost some of the highest frequencies like this, which make the sound a little bit more crispy, and that's what I want. And then at the end of the FX section I'm going to put the LFO 1 on a MG Low 6 filter once again, and it sounds like this now. Really cool sound already. I'm also going to turn on the sub, select direct out so it won't be affected by the FX, and pull it down 2 octaves. Also link the LFO 1 to the level of your sub here. The last thing I want to do is link the LFO 1 to both of the levels of oscillator A and B. We basically have the Bart B More tech house bass. I'm going to show you guys a few more tricks you can use on this bass. And the first one is to apply some pitch modulation on it. Select 3 semitones, move the wheel a little bit, go to your left corner, select tools, last tweaked, create automation clip. You will now get an automation clip of the Serum pitch bend, and we're going to shape it like this. Creates a little glide effect, which is really cool. it just makes the movement of the bass a lot better. And the next thing I want to do is move the cutoff here. Do the same, go to last tweaked, create automation clip. And then as the melody plays, I want to open up the filter. So this is very cool because the listener will not have to listen to the same sound all the time, but it changes a little bit as the melodies is playing. So that's really cool. And that's basically it for today. There will be videos where I'm going to show you how to make a tech house style drop inspired by Bart B More. So make sure to hit the notification button and never miss a video of us. If you want to get the stems pack, head over to the link in the description. It has a lot of cool sounds. You can also check them out on the site already. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.